Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem your Love2Shop gift card. Keep watching the video till the end. To redeem your Love2Shop gift card, firstly open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in www.love2shop.co.uk and make a search. You'll end up on the official page of Love2Shop. Tap on Manage, Activate and Spend Love2Shop link at the bottom of the page. Now log into your account if you are not logged in and you'll end up in this page. After you're logged into your account, tap on Profile icon at the top right side of the page and tap on Manage My Cards. Here, if you have not activated your gift cards yet, you can type it in here in this text box. Make sure to type in your information correctly. Your gift card number will be available on the back of the gift card, or if you have received it online, then you will be able to find it in your email inbox. After you are typing in your gift card number, tap on Submit button. This is how you can redeem Love2Shop gift card quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.